Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we have this amazing news that Zilliqa is launching a gaming console. We are going to check all that, we are going to check a little bit Zilliqa price. What is this news about the new console that Zilliqa is going to launch? We are going to cover that, how that could impact the different Web3 ecosystem and the gaming industry. This is an amazing news that I want to chat with you guys. And we are going to check another partnerships that Zilliqa just bring up to the table. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Guys, directly to the content, this is super important and bullish for the Zilliqa ecosystem. They are going to launch a Web3 game console in early 2023. The blockchain network has unveiled a prototype of its game console which aims to hide the complexity of Web3 from the end user. And that is important because some of the difficulties to bring normal gamers into the ecosystem of blockchain is the different stuff regarding generating a wallet, all what blockchain is meaning and needed for gamers that maybe are not familiar with the crypto ecosystem. So a prototype version of the console was unveiled today, showcasing a sleek design with an array of ports including HDMI, Ethernet and USB-C and USB 3.0 connections. You can see here in the image all the connections that they have. A full specification for the console remain under wraps. Through Zilliqa touts its user-friendliness with Web3 capabilities including a crypto wallet and mining integrated to hide the complexity of Web3 from the end user, according to a press release shared with Decrypt. The Zilliqa engineers spent 6 months in the research phase only. Players will be able to earn Zilliqa ZIL tokens through the completion of in-game skill-to-earn missions, tasks and quests. In this case, the tokens can be regarded as similar to coins or rewards in traditional games, but with the added functions of blockchain technology. This is what I was referring before. As an end user of any game, you shouldn't need to be dealing with blockchain, wallet creation, and all what the crypto space is bringing you. It should be transparent for the end user, and that is what I like of this news. Zilliqa noted that players will be able to mine ZIL tokens, a process that they anticipate will lead to further decentralizations of the Zilliqa blockchain by expanding the number of miners globally. This is also really good news because if you are going to play the games in the console and you will have the capability to mine tokens, that will for sure bring decentralization for the blockchain. And I think that is a great idea. Guys, the gaming industry is the second one biggest in the world after DeFi. So you can really expect if this prototype gets good into the market, if we have some traction on hype on this console, many people is going to be mining Zilliqa tokens and the centralization to the network, it will happen for sure. A little more of information. Upon announcing our first game at Gamescom, we had a great response from the gaming community, and we are excited to say that it was just the beginning. So the console is set to be released in early 2023 with 2 Zilliqa launch titles. So 2 games already in the row. And the images of the prototype, you can see again the different ports and stuff. I really like the design. You can see here a couple of images. So yeah, I think this is a very great news for the Zilliqa ecosystem. I'm a little resident that say that the industry of crypto has been trying to launch, I don't remember in a specific gaming console or this is the first time, but for example Solana already launched a smartphone with blockchain capabilities. Sirin Labs was a company in 2018 that was pioneer on this. They have like big capital and companies behind them, and they really couldn't implement consoles and hardware of blockchain technology into the common sense of gaming industry. So I would say the news is super bullish. They are super early into this, but many things of the success of this project will depend on the adoption. So yeah, super big risk to start this. For example, if I was Zilliqa, I would try first, instead of launching my own console, try to get a partnership with PlayStation, for example, to get the new PlayStation with the capabilities of blockchain, sponsored by Zilliqa. So they are taking a big risk just launching new hardware to the market. Also, the gaming community is not that open in the aspect of consoles. You have PlayStation, Xbox, a couple of more, then you have AR consoles, but you really don't have like a massive amount of consoles in the world that people buy. So again, this is super good news for the Zilliqa ecosystem, for the blockchain community, for the gaming industry, but we really need to see the adoption that this will have. So I am a little reticent, like I said, of the success that this could bring. But if they play the cards correctly, if they get partnerships with big companies of gaming industry, I think they are going to be a pioneer on the consoles for blockchain capabilities. And just a couple of more partnerships really quick. Zilliqa has announced the partnership with XBorg. Through this partnership, XBorg players will be given access to beta versions of games built on Zilliqa to provide development feedback. In addition, XBorg will bring players into Zilliqa games. So this is really a concrete good adoption for Zilliqa Gaming. And launching on Zilliqa mainnet this Thursday, Tyron, which is a protocol, the central network of self-sovereign identities. This is going to introduce the Soulbound X wallet. The SBT X wallet is the second X wallet on the Tyron network. So another good launching on the Zilliqa blockchain. So guys, what do you think about the news of the console of Zilliqa launching early 2023? I don't think there are many other companies creating a console for gaming right now. Put your comments below if you know about any other projects doing this, and put your comments of what do you think about this news. In terms of price action, guys, super quick, I have been showing this chart for months or more than a year already. So we have a lot of resistance here that after was support here. So this rectangle is my area to buy during this bear market. Of course, if Bitcoin goes below $18,000-$17,000, we are going to enter into this channel again, which is below the 3 cents. But for now, the 3 cents are having a lot of support. We held it support here when Bitcoin hit the $17,000. And we are again inside this rectangle. So for now, this rectangle for me is a good opportunity to buy Zilliqa tokens below 3 cents and 7. So yeah, I am preparing my bags of ZIL token for the next bull run. The last bull run, the peak was around 25 cents. So I don't know if I can say that the price prediction it will be $1 next bull run. Depends a lot of the adoption of the things that Zilliqa is building. We have the launch of the console next year, but I would say that 70 cents is super probable, 3x from the all-time high. So right now we are at 3 cents. So I think you could really do a lot of exits in your investment, starting to dollar cost averaging from here. Again, this is not financial advice. Guys, that is all for the video. Amazing news for launching a console from Zilliqa ecosystem next year. Put your comments below. Follow me in Twitter at CryptoCState. So you can follow me here in Twitter. I post a lot of things that you will not see in my videos, even trade alerts. So follow me here at CryptoCState, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.